Hammond. I better ring him up. Hang on.
No, he isn't there. There's somebody there who looks like Richard Hammond, but who actually isn't.
It does look like Richard
It does
Hammond.
look like Richard Hammond.
Hang on a minute.
But he'd do actually as Richard Hammond, wouldn't he?
Would it be under C for
Why don't we
camp
just
or
get
M
him?
for
No,
mobile?
we'll get him in, because he looks... Excuse me? Here comes Richard Hammond now.
Yeah, I don't need to ring Richard Hammond now.
No, he's here. Yeah, that's Richard.
All right, Richard.
Richard. If you just stand there, just pretend you're Richard Hammond. Just all right, don't have to say anything. Stand there, there we go. So,
He's not standing there.
no, you stand like this. Richard always does this with his foot. Side on to the... Side on, makes it look taller. Side on, and then roll back. Thin your eyes, one eyebrow slightly higher than the other.
Look slightly quizzical. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you don't quite understand what's going on, that's pretty
That's
good,
perfect. So you just stand there looking like that. Anyway, we do hope you enjoy the rest of the series, and
If there is one.
there are many surprises.